Hello my friends. Today in this video I'm going to explain how this beautiful shoe is made. I have taken here two size shoes, one for a baby of 3 to 6 months and a baby of 6 to 12 months. For the baby of 3 to 6 months, the shoe sole is 11 centimeters in length, and the big one, the one I made for a baby of 6 to 12 months, the shoe sole is almost 13 centimeters in length. 13 centimeters. So I'm going to give you the measurements of these two shoes. The wool I used 100% cotton wool, the 2.5 millimeter crochet yarn, so the blue yarn for the shoe, so let's begin. The slip knot first, and in this video I am going to explain how the small size sole is made. For that I took 14 chains, 6, 8, 14 chains for the smaller size one. End of the 14 chain, make another 2 chains and start inserting half double crochets to each chain you made. So 14 chains in the first line, then inserting half double crochets to each chain like this, half doubles to each. Here now we have done 13 half double crochets, and into the 14th chain insert 5 half doubles. To the 14th chain of the row we insert 5 half doubles into the same chain like this, 5 half doubles, and then we start to go to the other round along the other side. Again we fill with half doubles 13 chains, as we have 14 chains, we fill 13 chains with half doubles, and again in the 14th one at the end of this row we have to insert 5 half doubles. So we go like this. Each chain is filled with a half double crochet like this. Half double crochets. Please count and go, otherwise you will miss the pattern. So insert in 13 half doubles. Now we have inserted 13 half doubles. So we insert 5 half doubles to the 14th chain. Oh, it is our first chain that is where we started the chain. Somehow doubles, and then we join like this to the starting half double crochet. So it looks like this, the end of the first row around. Then the second row, again we insert half doubles into each half double of the previous row. Half doubles we are inserting into each half double crochet. So I am explaining here the smaller shoe, which is from 3 to 6 months child. If you are doing for the 6 to 12 months child, we have to take 18 chains. And now here we have come to the 5 double crochets, 5 halves we inserted in the previous row. Each half double crochet in the previous row that we inserted into the same hole, we insert 2 half doubles like this. So at the end of the row we have inserted 5 half doubles into the same hole. In this row, second row, we insert 2 half doubles into each half double of the previous row. That is, the 5 half doubles we inserted into the 14th row become 10 half doubles after the second row, because each half double we insert 2 halves. Now the 5 half doubles we inserted into the 14th row has been doubled, so there are 10 half doubles at the end. Now then other half doubles we fill with normal half doubles. Now end of the second row, end of the row, here also we have 5 half doubles we inserted into the same row. Now again insert 2 half doubles each into each half double that we inserted into the same hole in the previous row. So 13 we go normal, inserting only 1 half double. At the end we have 5 half doubles inserted into the same hole, that 5 half doubles we insert 2 half doubles into each of them. So that 5 half doubles become 10 half doubles at the end of the second row. So altogether we have 10 half doubles in both ends, that means 20 half doubles plus 13 into 2, that means 26 half doubles, altogether 46 half doubles. Now we are going along the third row for the final row of the shoe sole. Again we insert half doubles into each row. So we do 13 half doubles again until we go to the end. 13 half doubles of the previous row we fill with only half doubles, like this, a half double into each half double of the previous row. And now we meet the 10 half doubles that we made in the previous row. There we have inserted 2 halves into one chain. In this row we follow the pattern 2 halves into one chain and 1 half into the other one. So there are 10 halves at the end. In this round we do like 2 halves, then 1 half, again 2 halves, then 1 half, 2 halves into the same hole, then we insert 1 half double and again 2 half doubles, then 1 half, like that till we go to the end of the 10 half doubles we have made in the previous row. So they are out of the 10 half doubles, every other half double will be filled with 1 half and the other 5 with 2 halves. So the 10 half doubles there become 15 half doubles at the end of this row or in the third row. So now we insert half doubles into the 13 half doubles as usual, and end of the row, end of the other side, to the 10 half doubles we do again 2 halves and 1 half pattern, 2 halves and 1 half, 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet, again 2 half double crochets into the same hole and 1 half double crochet. Finally we have 30 plus 26 half doubles, altogether 56 half doubles we have in our shoe sole. So when we divide we have to have the proper number 56 half doubles all together in the whole project, and the length has come almost 11 centimeters, which will be fitting to a baby of 3 to 6 months. So thank you for watching my video, and please be subscribed to watch the other part of the video as soon as it is uploaded. Thank you so much.